They're calling you fat on there. Yeah. Hey, they said I need to stop giving you treats. I know. They said you're too fat and to not give you any treats anymore. Yeah, the comments on Instagram. How do you feel about that? Yeah. I figured you wouldn't like that.